my name is Vincent B. Baroma from BSN1E. Here's my vision board that I see myself in 5 years, and I'm gonna show you and explain you how I see myself in the 5 years. Una sa lahat, itong picture na to nagpapakita na matatapos ko ang aking kinuhang kurso bilang isang nurse. And this picture around is that I will serve as a nurse in my career, and having my career, I try to travel with my family and saving enough money to gain a financial freedom. And first of all, I see my family that will be live together happily, and this I will succeed this in the future. Keep being a nurse in the future.